guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Diva Vlog. Now I know a lot of you don't like to wear a lot of base makeup, especially when you're going to be celebrating these festivities at home. So today I wanted to share with you this no foundation, no concealer, no powder look for this festive season that would just enhance your natural features, make sure that you utilize whatever you have to the best and you would still look amazing. So yes, without any further ado, if you want to know how you can get this bomb.com look, then please keep on watching. The first thing I'm going to do is wear a bright colored outfit. If you're going to be wearing less amount of makeup on your base, make sure you opt for a vibrant color because it would automatically grab more attention and radiate beautifully on your face too. If you opt towards pastels or a nude colored outfit, it would make you look dull. So a vibrant color outfit is your first step to looking gorgeous without a lot of makeup. My second step is going to be a strobe cream. A strobe cream is a must-have in your makeup vanity if you're someone who does not like a lot of base makeup. I'm using this one by packing the shade Gold because gold automatically cancels out a lot of darkness. Again, if you're someone who does not like a lot of base makeup, strobe cream is a must-have and this reflects so beautifully on your skin. It makes your skin look healthy like no one else. So I'm just using a little bit of that. I'm going to start from the centers of my face and I'm going to work it outwards. See how that adds a beautiful glow to your skin? You can definitely choose a color that would suit your complexion best. There are silvers, peaches, pinks, every shade of strobe cream available in the market these days. So choose one that would suit you the best. My next step is going to be focusing on them cheeks and making sure they look nice, vibrant and rosy. For that I'm going to be using this Pixi Sheer Cheek Gel. This is a beautiful product. I know it looks very intimidating in the tube because of the color. But as it says, it's a sheer cheek gel. It comes off very sheerly on the cheek. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of this on the back of my hand so that I have a nice grip on how much I want to use, and then I'm going to just spread it over my hand just to get a nice and even layer, and then we're just going to start patting this onto our cheeks. Now because we don't have any powder laid down, it's really easy for you to move this product around and just get it to where you want and just tap it in and just feel how much product you need on the cheeks. And once you're happy with the amount of pigmentation you've got on your cheeks, you can just move on to the next one. To bring some dimension onto my face, I'm going to use NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in the shade Sun Goddess. It's a tan color for me. You can again definitely go ahead and choose a color that would suit your complexion the best. And I'm going to take a little bit of this, not a lot because this is pretty pigmented and pretty potent. So I'm just going to use it with my finger and I'm just going to apply it right here and then just make sure I blend it into my skin. Now again, the idea here is to go with cream products that would just naturally blend into your skin and make you look flawless naturally. So we're just applying a little bit of this and working it into our skin. All of these are beautiful creams that you can just work around and just see how much you want to use on your skin, and you can get rid of them if you do go overboard. Like I went a little overboard here, just blended it out and it's gone. So just work around them and you have the freedom of going a little overboard and just making sure it does not end up looking overboard on you. So I'm just applying it to the areas where I would naturally just bronze with my bronzer. I'm just applying it there to get some definition to my face. It's time to fill into our eyebrows, and it's going to be pretty crucial that you do this well because this is going to be the framing structure of our face. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. I do really like this. So I'm going to start off by using my spoolie and spooling my brows up just like that. And then I'm gonna just move on to the pencil side of things. I'm gonna start filling my brows in. So I'm just gonna make small flicking motions in the direction of my hair growth just to get nice, thick and luscious looking brows. Next up, I'm going to take a liquid liner pen and I'm going to draw a very thin line on my eyes. The eyes are going to be the main place where our face is going to get some structure from. So you're going to add a little bit of more definition over there. So I'm using this one from NYX, and what I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to line between my lash line just very, very thinly. I don't want this to be a very thick liner. I want it to be rather thin. So that's the sort of thickness I'm looking for, and you can see it automatically just lifts up the look so much. It makes it look like you've put in so much effort into the look while you've just lined your eyes, which can also be an effort sometimes. Let's not lie about that. We've all been there where our liners just don't want to align. So I'm going to pray to the liner gods that my other eye just aligns with this eye. It's time to mascara up our lashes. I'm going to use Colorbar Zoom and Whoosh mascara, and I'm just going to apply this mascara on my top and bottom lashes. I'm going to really heavily coat my lashes because again we are deriving the most amount of structure to our face from our eyes, so we really want all of them to stand out really nicely. So we are just wiggling our wand up towards our lashes, and then I'm going to do the same thing on my lower lashes. At this point, I can feel I do with a little bit more glow. So I'm going to go back into my stroke cream. I'm going to really concentrate it on my high points now. So I'm taking a little bit of that stroke cream and then I'm just going to place it on the tops of my cheeks right here. I'm going to blend it out just to get a nice glow going on because we really want to be looking lit and glowy from within. I'm also going to apply it on the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose and blend it out so that it's not so stark on my cupid's bow. And the last thing I'm going to do for this look is the final tip I want to give to you guys as well. Even if you don't end up doing any of this, whatever I've done till now, just wear a bright, bold and beautiful lipstick and your look would be sorted. It's the same theory as wearing bright clothes. It just grabs all of the attention and you don't really need to do a lot. So from my Desi Girl kit, I'm going to grab Russian Red, which is a beautiful red lipstick. And I'm just going to apply it all over my lips because I am wearing a red outfit. You can definitely just switch up the color to whatever suits your outfit. Red does go well with a lot of different colors. I'm actually wearing green here, so it does go well with so many colors, and that's why I feel like, you know, it's the perfect color to go for this Diwali, like a beautiful red. So I'm just going to pop on Russian Red now. See how that instantly just elevates the whole look up. Now I'm just going to wear some nice festive jewelry and that would complete my look off beautifully. And yes, with that we finish this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do end up wearing this makeup, then please do tag me on Instagram or on YouTube or wherever you want to. I will see you guys tomorrow. Till then, take care. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.